Good morning and welcome to Sydney, Australia. Looking out from our balcony on the Opera House. It's iconic. We'll just scroll around to the partial of Sydney as well. Ferries going to and from the other side of the harbour. We're going to be off the boat all day today. Here in Sydney, they require a zero count of the ship, so everybody has to be off the ship, including the crew, and that. So kind of a little bit strange, everything they do with all the declarations and visas and everything. So just FYI. Absolutely gorgeous day. A little bit chilly. We got tied off late last night because of a medical emergency. They allowed us in real early. Nobody could deboard. Just give you a panoramic of the city. We're off the ship, obviously. And give you an idea what you'll see here. Couple observations while we're getting off the ship. There's big terminal, but there's nothing in the terminal. No shops, no eateries at all. You're kind of pushed right outside after you go through immigration. And the first thing we notice outside the terminal, there's no private tour groups trying to sell you tours anyplace at all. There's some coffee shops, but nothing to try to get you on a tour. So but a beautiful day, a little chilly, but we're off the boat and we'll continue on. Okay, continuing our tour. Obviously our ship in port, we kind of walked halfway around the waterfront, and there's the big bridge everybody talks about that you can, I guess, climb up. And that, we really don't have an interest in doing so, but and right here is a huge ferry port. They've got the ferry port, the train station, the metro station, all here, basically right off the ship. So it's a nice central hub if you know where you're going to. So we were just kind of shocked about the not having any private tour operators locally. So there has to be some kind of ordinance against it. But tons of places to eat. There's a McDonald's right across from the train station. And I was reminiscing back home needs, so but lots of ferries back and forth across the harbor, and the whole harbor is obviously lined with apartments all the way around. So we'll continue on. We need to get back in the sun to stay warm. Probably. Crikey, we got to have a good day on the walk back. Like that. Maybe. Go in here. Along the water. This is like soaking up slightly. Royal Botanic Garden City. Royal Botanic Garden City. Which way? Water or walk uphill a little? Okay. Let me give a try that sign. Okay, well, let me do a shot here with the Opera House in the back. Guess I can't really see it too well. It's too dark, but there's the Opera House at night where it's probably what, about 8 o'clock. We just got done seeing a show. They brought on some Aborigine dancers, traditional dancing for the culture in the theater. And this is a late night port. I think all aboard time is like 10:30, but here's the city at night. It is way calmed down. This is all just packed with people all day long. And again, just to point out, the park we were at all day was straight across. There's the Opera House. There's downtown. The ferries are right there below. Train station's right beside them. McDonald's is just on the other side. And you can buy ferry tickets, train tickets, metro tickets there, all in one location. Restaurants all the way around. One thing to note, most of the restaurants, there's a few exceptions, but most of them don't open until around the noon time frame. We did find an IGA grocery store, which I haven't seen that in 40 years. There's a mall inside under one of these apartment skyscrapers. There's malls. It's kind of hard to find because they don't do much street advertising. You almost have to know these stores are inside, on the lower floors of these buildings. First 2 or 3 floors are restaurants and stores and grocery stores. But there's Sydney Harbour. Ferry still running people from side to side. And it just looks like mass housing on the other side of the harbor. So that'll conclude our visit to Sydney, and we've got another sea day, and then it's Brisbane tomorrow, or day after. Thank you much.